How you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So, I got my window open, like my curtains, because it's kind of sunny out. Why does this keep moving? And so, excuse the light. I'm seeing if this is going to work for me to do recordings or not. But I was very excited. I got in the mail today. Trucker Janie sent me another box. She had some stuff that she wasn't using, and she sent it to me, and I'm thrilled to death. So, let me just show you a few. I don't want to accidentally show you her address, but she sent me more magnet pieces, which I'm so excited. I'm going to make a few things with the magnet pieces as well. But what she does, as you can see, and I'm sure many do, I haven't, but I'm going to, because she sent me like tons of magnets. Like, look, you can see this is like a vegetable kind of thing, and like little, you know, things like you make for people to say things. And you take the magnet piece and you put those on there, and then you put them in here. Like, I did not have a clue because I don't do those kind of things. But, I mean, look how cute. So she sent me, and then she sent me all these, which we're going to see. These are, I don't know if these are for, oh my goodness, Kelly, come on. These hands of mine. Okay, all right. These are quick cuts, retro circles. These are adhere ejection foam directly over cutting design. Okay, so I guess they don't have pictures, but I don't know if that's going to even show. Little like butterfly or dragonfly. Oh, here it is. That's what it'll look like. So cute. Flowers. Gee, I wonder if she even used these. Oh God, Kelly, these are so cute. Like, I would use these to make like pendants for necklaces. I wonder if that's what they're for or not. I always love a heart. You know, I'm obsessed with hearts. Look how cute. Is there two in there? Or is that one? Maybe it's just the way it's supposed to be. I never know. I'm so dense when it comes to these things. Cute. And then this, which I love, the circles. I love those. Oh my goodness. That's a really cool looking pendant too. Oh, okay, because it's here. Kelly, hello. Welcome to your brain. A vase. Lips. Are you freaking even kidding me? Well, I'm going to be using these today. And then that's the circle cutter. So that is so exciting. I'm not even going to fuss with those right now. And of course, like I said, some magnets to put those in. I've enamel accents. Pink and blue. Oh, that's fun. Some purple stickles, which I love. Some glacier white enamel. Kelly, you could tell I'm dyslexic. Okay. And then some folk art paints, which I love and I will use. I'm going to leave them out today and use them today. Ooh, lipstick red. What color are you? Ooh, violet pansy. That's a popular one that they use. I love a good gray. What are you? Cobalt hue. Yellow light, which I never have enough of yellow, or orange actually. And then green. So she did me Roy G. Biv. Very, very nice. Oh, thank you, Trucker Janie. I appreciate it so very much. I love all the stuff that you sent me. Please quit sending me stuff. I feel so bad, but I'm forever grateful and eternally grateful, and whatever the thing it is, you know, that means I'm very, very happy. And I can't show you right now because the way I'm sitting, but on the floor I have my Sizzix out and I have some paper, some scrapbook paper and stuff, and I'm going to cut a bunch of stuff out to use in different things that I have coming up, because every time I look at it I just get more and more inspired. And especially for doing like my art quilt, and because I'm going to make an art quilt, you know, out of her and I have my other painting that I'm doing, so I can just use them for so many things, so many mixed media things. So I am so thank you, grateful. Thank you so very much. And yeah, be kind to each other. You never know about somebody else is fighting. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch and to support me on my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.